34th competitive test. Besides, and all young animals, of course, are very quick to copy the acts of their mothers, and in this way they learn a very great amount in a remarkably short time. Full stop. We continue throughout our lives to learn in this way, for we are always seeing others do certain things in certain ways and then making some attempt to carry out like acts ourselves. Full stop. Our bank occasionally consents to grant an advance against a life policy and accepts deeds accompanied by a memorandum of deposit. Full stop. I understand the significance of a nominal consideration, which is given for the purpose of avoiding paying ad valorem stamp duty, a deed of transfer, a negotiable instrument, and a negotiable security, among which last British government securities take a premier place. Full stop. New paragraph. In order to avoid prolonged suspension of government servants and employees of autonomous bodies, it has been decided that every secretary to government of West Pakistan should get the facts of each case from his office and authorities subordinate to him and review it and try to either dispose of the case or, if possible, reinstate the person. Full stop. This knowledge, plus an intensified course in business English, has proved to be invaluable in my handling of correspondence. Full stop. I should like to a part of your organization. I feel I can provide you with the high standard of efficiency you expect from your secretaries. Full stop. New paragraph. However, if the largest borrower, the government, whose imprudent and reckless fiscal behavior has worsened the precariousness of our situation, simply continues borrowing to finance expenditures which bracket start except on development projects bracket close are politically inelastic in the short to medium term and are more than its revenues, it negates the objective of raising the interest rate. Full stop. Some of the issues to be taken up at the spring 1985 meeting: external indebtedness, protectionism, commodity prices, interest rates, capital flows, and problems of direct investment. Full stop. There has been no talk of concessions to be made by any side. Full stop.